Hey guys, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for the latest notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to CodeTute. In this tutorial we will learn how to install OpenCV in Anaconda. So there are three ways to install any library in Anaconda. So the first way is through Anaconda Navigator, which is the most easiest way. So if you have installed Anaconda, then you will get this Anaconda Navigator. So if you have not installed Anaconda, check the link in the description below to learn how to install Anaconda. So when you open this Anaconda, here you will see different IDEs in the home page. Then click on this environment tab and here you can install different softwares. Now to install different softwares, press this drop down menu, and from here you can check the list of installed and not installed softwares. Now for example, if you have not installed OpenCV, then click here on OpenCV tab and search OpenCV package. So this is the OpenCV package. OpenCV is computer vision and machine learning software library. So you have to tick on this and press apply button. So the package will be searched here and you will get that package here. And once you get that package here, press this apply button to install. So this is the first and very easiest way to install OpenCV. The another way to install OpenCV is through Anaconda Navigator. Here you have to type Anaconda prompt. So this is the Anaconda prompt through which we can install OpenCV. You can write here pip install OpenCV Python. So this is the command to install OpenCV in Anaconda with the help of Anaconda prompt. Okay. So if this command is not working for you, then you have another options, like you can check out the Conda command. So these are the Conda commands which you can try. Type Conda command for OpenCV in Google browser and this page will open. So this is the anaconda.org Conda Forge OpenCV packages. So these are the commands which you can use to install OpenCV. So choose any one command. So choose this first command, copy this and you can paste it here and hit enter button to install this OpenCV package. So this is the second way with the help of Anaconda prompt. Now third way is using browser itself. For example, if you are using Jupyter browser, then if you want to install that package, then you can directly type here pip install OpenCV and Python and press the enter button and that OpenCV will get installed. So these are the three ways through which you can install OpenCV. The first way is using Anaconda Navigator. The second way is using Anaconda prompt. And third way is using the browser. Thanks for watching.